Time for us to install this piece. Some UV paint on it. Rust reformer on the back side. Glued those pieces back in. So now I gotta screw this on. I gotta go get the screws. Bolts. For the screws that go in there. Look. See, they screw in. So, let me attach this, I'll be right back. Alright, we're on. I guess you know when you got it aligned perfectly is when this is aligned in the phone. Therefore you got it even. It's even. This dash part is even with the front panel here, as well as over here. Get the screws for mounting. Flip it over. Nice and even on both sides. I'm about to put the dash pad in a minute. Looking super nice. I forgot to show you guys these beautifully painted. I guess you'll call these carpet rails that goes on the end. I gotta trim some of this off on this side. I already did the other side. I'm waiting till I install the seat for this one, but yeah, these things are beautifully painted. Both sides are really nice. Really, really nice. Got my fingerprints all on them, but really nice painted pieces. Set this up here. All this stuff is kind of meshing perfectly. As before I install this, you guys can see I got the clock mounted up, wires hidden really nice. I've cleaned all of these ducts and these vents. I cleaned that really good. The back side of this trim piece, cleaned that really good. All inside of there, wire tied in there really good. Like I said, all these ducts, cleaning every crack and crevice of the dashboard. As the music playing, I just get to flowing and making sure everything I see that has dust on it, I clean it up. I'm gonna clean the spot for the glass to go in, so I'll be installing that in a second also. All right, now I'm cleaning the dashboard. This is what I've been using. Once I get the surface clean, I got some regular soap water I've been using. I'll be using this, just some regular dish water to kind of clean everything, and then I'll just been spraying everything down. This stuff is so good. I done fell in love with this stuff. Just get everything shining as I'm putting it back together. But even these pillar trims clean up, but I got all the clips in place. And I'm gonna show it how I did that as I clean all this up as best as I can get it. So I can put the glass in when I do the dashboard. But yeah, right now I'm just focusing on getting all the rest of the pieces installed on the interior. And I'm on a glove box side, so I'll be putting the glove box up in a second. And then I'm gonna install the dash pad, this part, since it's ready to go. And like, I'm really liking these. I really like how that turned out. So they're gonna look nice here. So I'm gonna put the dash, I'm doing the glove box right now. Then I'll be setting the dash pad up there, and I'll show you guys that. And those 2 screws and those bottom screws that's under here. I think they're here and there. We'll see when I install it. So let me finish with this glove box, and I'll install that really quick, and I'll be back to show you. I'm also waiting on this gasket. Should be here tomorrow. Been waiting for like a week and a half for it. Be here tomorrow. Put this mirror on. Look at this paint. I haven't touched this paint or wiped it off or cleaned it or anything since. It's been painted over, well over a year ago now. So I don't know, it's going to need a good cut and buff. Should look great when I'm done. All right, let me finish this up. Okay, get the glove box installed. Put these up some. I'm gonna pin these up a little bit more. But they're in there. I'm gonna hang those wires a little bit more. Okay, dash pad is installed. Looking nice. I'm shining it all up. Got some dust on it. Being in here. This is a UV paint. This should be great. This stuff won't crack or anything. You can see the vent like perfectly. All that will be this same way from years to come. No screws there. Show you all the screws and all the angles. All this is perfectly installed. All new screws, both sides. Let me go on the other side. Show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Oh, that's nice. Install that panel. I'm gonna put the screw in there. That's nice. Glove box installed nicely. So you got all new screws. That's just nice. One right there. And I'll be installing the windshield in a minute. But what's left on this side for me to do: the window roll down handle, the door open handle, and I have to install this really nice piece right here. That's gonna look good. And this is painted to the paint code, and I'll show you where I get my paint from, where I've been getting my paint from. I send them the code and they send me paint. That's gonna look nice. Although the goal for this is the originality, I've did add my little touches to it as far as with the accenting on the black everywhere. Even this has been painted really well, the ashtray, and I'm putting it back together right now. I just put that plastic piece back in right there. But just took my time out to paint this perfectly, and got these ball bearings it runs by, and I'll be installing those in a second. Also, I got my 4 screws in place. These bolts I use for reference. As far as for the seat, they're in place. Kick panel for this side. That carpet trim, I gotta cut some of this off. It's too much, like I did the other side. And I got the trunk carpet to do when I get back there. I'm just waiting on the spare tire to come, so I can finish all that up and add those panels and clean those panels up. But yeah, we're nearing the completion. What I'm about to do now is finish the interior. I'm gonna install the seat, that ashtray. Oh, and I'll be back for a steering wheel selection. Have you guys kind of help me or guide me? Well, I think I pretty much got my mind made up on where I'm gonna put the steering, or what steering wheel I'm gonna use. Got 3 choices that I'm gonna choose from. Then I'll install that piece that goes there, to cover the brake, emergency brake handle. The piece that goes over the gear selector. What else I need to do? I gotta install this piece here. Yeah, so I'm going to pretty much get done with the interior within the next day or two, so I can install the windshield. Door mirror is installed. I'm gonna do the door. I'm actually starting that right now, putting the tape on it. I actually peel some of it back, so it's all taped up already, and all the pieces are in it. So I'll just add the LED bulb into there. And once I'm done with the interior, I'm gonna really just focus on the exterior. I'm gonna make sure everything's installed correctly and looking really nice. I guess once I get to the outside, there will be no section of this car I haven't touched. I mean, not one section that doesn't have a new screw or has been touched whatsoever. So I guess the next video will be the steering wheel selection, to see what choice that I'm going to use. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, or you enjoyed watching it as I finish or near the completion of this project. Let me show you the bolts I use for underneath glove box. So we got all new bolts there. Yeah. I'm gonna clean all this dust out. Thought I cleaned it up. As well as in here, everything's been clean. This is original sticker. I do have an owner's manual for here, but everything is nice in here. Oh no. I don't know what's wrong with the camera. So, all right, let me get started with the seat installation over there. I'll be putting that door panel on now, and I'll show you all that in the next video. And we're gonna do a steering wheel selection, so I'll bunch all that up in the next video. All right, Terrence, and I'm out.